Hi everyone. Oh my goodness. I know Slack is going to become a part of our everyday life as a Shopify community. So I just wanted to get on here and show you a couple of the best tricks and tips I have for using Slack. What I want to highlight for you guys, particularly, is if you go up to the top of your menu and we go to Slack, it should be next to File. You can go to Preferences. When you go to Preferences, you can choose your notifications. So you can ask to be notified about threads that you're following. And you can also use different settings for mobile. So you can make sure that you get direct messages, mentions, and keywords to your mobile device or have nothing to your mobile device if that's your preference. Another cool thing is keywords. So particularly like if there's something that you are looking to increase your knowledge on, let's say it's SEO, then every time somebody writes SEO, you would get a notification. So maybe you want to spend some time thinking about the areas of your business that you're looking to have conversations around and choose for those to be your keywords so that you're not always having to keep up with everything, but only choosing to keep up with what you want to. So let's say it's SEO. Let's say we also are increasing our knowledge around Pinterest because we're using that as a channel to drive traffic. Then I'm going to choose that to be my keyword. And then let's say I want to know every time someone's saying something about me. So we might put our name in there. Usually, though, people will tag you directly if they want to chat with you. So that's not always super needed. You can also choose to have hours that nobody is bothering you with Slack. So you can choose to do that. And we can also choose to have a sound, not have a sound. We can mute all sounds for Slack. And we can also have bounce notifications. So just want you guys to know that this is an option. And we can also choose to not notify me about all messages, but just direct messages and keywords or nothing. A couple things I want you guys to know about is that if you use the @ symbol, then it will list everybody that you can send or tag in a message. So if we use the @ symbol and we write Maddie, then that will give me a notification. So we can say, Maddie Kennedy, what is the deal with blah, blah. And that way I know you're wanting to directly reach out to me, or maybe you might want to reach out to somebody who you know is active in the channel and say, @Barb Bailey, did you activate the gift cards? Was it easy? Oh, typos. So these are the ways that you can kind of publicly share a message, but indicate who it is you're directing that message to so other people can also learn from that public thread. More tools that you can do are @here, and that notifies every member in the channel. So that should send a notification to everybody. So you only want to use @here's when it's something that's pertinent information for everybody to learn. And then we can also do @channel. That will notify everybody in a specific channel. So I also want to show you guys other tools like link. You can add your text, my store, and then we can do the link, fieldstudies.ca, save, and then people can click right there. So that's a great tool to know about. Just you can play around with all of these, and what I always do is if I'm not sure how a message is going to show up in a public channel that 127 people are in, I go to create a direct message and I can send a direct message to myself. So that way I can write myself notes, don't forget to do the thing, and that just goes directly to me. But I can also test out how this message will look. When I'm happy with it, I can always go ahead, copy and paste that, and go back to the general channel and paste it so that I've already seen how it will look in Slack, and then I'm confident in sending it to the public channel.